Welcome to our Excel training. Control E in Excel works wonders. For example, if you want to transfer only the numbers from the list to this side, type 1792 and then press Ctrl E on your keyboard. It will separate the thousands directly. If you get a different option when you press Ctrl E, click on the flash fill feature in the data. You can find the shortcut for this feature right here. This is a great method to directly transfer the data from the side here. However, as you can see, if the adjacent cells are empty, it won't help us. Instead, for example, here, if you need to move the numeric parts from here to H2, after typing 1792, coming here and pressing fill quickly won't work, because the left side is empty. This won't work. Instead, in these cases, we will say equals. Since we will take everything after the hyphen, we say after and select the body here. You can use a comma or semicolon here. When you write the formula, you'll see it. Look, there's a semicolon. You might have a comma, semicolon. The left side double quote expression, a dash followed by double quotes again. Let's close the parenthesis. When you press enter, look at this value. You will also see that when you pull this down, the other values come in. You will see it too. This way, with the TEXTAFTER formula, any expression you want, you can obtain as much of it as you like. If there was a structure like this, for example, 02, break time to 0. If there was a structure here, for example, 00, break time to 1.0. If there was a figure like dash 1458, break time to 0. And if we wanted to retrieve these second expressions, all you need to do is right here, at the end of the formula, come here and put a semicolon again, and write 2 again here. When you write 2, means to retrieve everything after the second dash. Observe this. You can retrieve everything after the second dash in your tables.